down as much. Wait. There you go. There you go.
See, the zip tie's like twisted. Let's chop this off. That's plenty. She ain't going nowhere. Is that piece? Yeah.
That one's best for here.
Oh. Dude, these are nice zip ties.
Yeah, these are thick. For
Oh, if I cut it sideways.
cut it up against it. Whatever.
Alright, we're all set.
This is like really ghetto.
It is. Dude, it's eBay. Budget build, yo.
If you want to be really fancy, you can zip tie this cord up.
I'm gonna use a twist tie.
I don't know if that'll hold it.
This one it came.
I don't think it will.
Came with this one, yo.
Oh, enough with the flashlight. Right in my eyes.
It's gonna be like pitch black with the GoPro. Is it pulling on?
It won't even, no, but it won't even twist. There we go.
Pretty mint.
This is what we use to tie up our vegetable bags, you know. We get the apples at Jewel.
Nice. I didn't know that.
Yep, that's what we use.
That's a good piece of information.
This is the bumpin' mad bass right here.
Oh,
That's the big subwoofer. 1/8 of an inch. This will break your windows in your car. It'll shatter them.
Shakes the car next to you.
Not even. It'll blow the car away.
Bet you would.
Mm-hmm. Because not that sticky.
Alright, anything else?
See? Right there.
Yeah, we do.
I do.
That's the thumbnail right there, boys. Right there, boom.
Oh, wait. No, right there, right there.
Boom. I'll screenshot. How's the disk drive? Is that tugging on anything?
No, that's good.
It's just sitting in there. The status fine.
Cares about the dish drive,
These
you never
these
can
guys are mint. All right, we look good. Let's lock her up and quit taking her on.
Fans.
Oh, ruh-roh, we need the screws.
They're in it. They're in the back.
Oh, thank God.
Hey, you just got to stick it in there.
In memory. Hold on.
Is it in?
No, not the bottom of it. Alright, she good. Wait, hold on. We got some gappage. Is that normal?
No.
It said zip ties, that's why.
No, it's not. It's not lining up right. There we go. Some gappage. The bottom didn't line up, no.
It's the zip tie pieces in
no,
there. There we go, we're perfect now.
No, we're not. The back's not.
Oh my God.
It's called, this is so thin, and it's
it's warped.
It's like warped, yeah. It's warped.
Get the blowtorch. Yeah.
Bottom didn't hook, now what the heck? Push this top corner.
No, not top corner.
You're never gonna
This is a hoopty, yo. Yeah, I'm never gonna want to work on this computer ever.
You get the front, I'll get the back.
Alright. I think we just got it. Nope, the bottom.
Is this bottom lock?
Let's see.
Alright, one more time.
Hold on, let me get the bottom right here. Top. Alright, go.
Alright.
We got a mint now, boys. You didn't need this flashlight anymore. Kill my battery now, huh?
That doesn't kill my battery like at all on my phone.
Yeah, because you got like that.
Use it for like
fancy-
10 minutes and it brings down like 1%.
Dude, made in Japan right there, huh? Put the tiny one. I'll put Hoonigan right here, or Hoonigan right here.
You gotta put one like sideways, not. Yeah.
Well, it's gonna.
Or, like,
I mean, I got a
crooked
bunch
at
of big
least, 'cause
ones.
you don't want to put them like perfectly straight.
Let's-
You gotta put like crooked.
yeah.
Like wrap it around the corners like that. You gotta wrap them around the corners like that.
Nah. I'll see what I can do.
On this drive.
I don't know if I want to put any on the top. I'll probably just keep them on the sides.
What side are you gonna be looking at? Probably this side.
Mostly this side, yeah.
Yeah.
I want to see where I'm going to put this one, 'cause this is the biggest one.
No, it's not the same as this one, I bet.
No, it's
It's bigger?
yeah.
Here, let's see.
I don't think I want to put any on the top.
This one longer? This might be longer. Let's see.
Let's see, I'll put this one. Because race car. I'll put that one right there. I like that right there. That cool?
Maybe.
VTEC inside will go right there.
You gotta put
But
like
that's
zip ties on there too. Like thread them through the holes. Like drifts, like the drift stitch.
Oh yeah.
We should have like put the colored ones. That would take forever though.
Yeah, it would. Alright, well. Here I can put Hoonigan at. Hoonigan, I want to see Hoonigan. Yeah, I don't want to put over that intake because I'll probably put a fan. No, fan would. You can't put a fan
cover
on.
up a little bit, not that much though. Like the top of it is good, I guess. Yeah, don't stick this in the computer. Your hard drive will be wiped.
Yeah.
No magnets on the computers.
Yeah, I'll lose Windows. Made in Japan.
You can undo your computer like this. Just take this one and just put it in there. And now your computer's fixed.
Nice.
Yeah. Coupons. You need an angle grinder?
Dude, Hoonigan right there, huh? There's an angle grind.
Yeah, right there. $11.99. It's for next weekend. Now we gotta go next weekend. What are you doing?
Dude, you're not gonna steal my codes now.
It's not. They're all the same.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I just bought this.
For free?
That.
Dude, how much they want? $6 tarp? How big is it? 5 foot.
No, that was $4. I looked. I saw the exact tarp.
Do you actually trust winches from Harbor Freight?
Yeah, that one works great.
Did you actually get one from it?
It pulled a truck out of the field.
Alright,
up
I'll
on
trust
the
it.
trailer.
I trust it then. Alright, let's put this one on. Right here. Alright.
What broke? What was that? No, it pulled the mini excavator.
It did.
Yeah, the one side controls broke. Only one side would go. The heck?
That looks
clicking.
Yeah, it's hoopty. Is there anywhere we could put this? I kind of like.
Upside down. What's up means you're on drugs.
It did. Yeah.
I like this. You got like, you should cut the rising sun off and put it separately.
I like it like that. Alright, let's put this
like
one on.
that. No.
Let's put this one right here. I might just put this one on the other side. Let's see. Where can I put? Oh yeah, right
I
here.
think that should be on the front.
Right here.
Maybe.
I think it's Hoonigan up here. Doesn't that look cool?
Yeah.
And then
I'm gonna put that on my desk. I think when I finish it.
right here. This is not a portable meth lab.
It's not portable.
No, it's not. It's not at all. Oh, we got because race car. I'll put that one. Right, huh? That's a good one. This is like where the back peels off, and then you gotta peel off the front, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Which one are you sticking on?
Let's do because race car right here.
All right.
All right, so
The front on this one doesn't come off. I don't think. Wait.
you can feel the texture, I think.
Yeah, you gotta pull the front off. Here, you do it. I'll get the camera. I'll get the camera roll. Gotta get it sort of clean.
Oh, here we go. See, and then yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Right. All right. Yeah, get that.
It's clean enough.
Wipe it off. Yeah.
We should get the GoPro frame thing.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Don't mess it up. Don't mess it up. It's $1. It's crooked.
No, it's just because that's.
I know that it's cut crooked.
Yeah.
I wouldn't stick it like dead top. Maybe like down like a slight bit. Yeah, like that.
Gotta get the level on this muff.
Who cares? It's a sticker.
Yeah. These are probably gonna be.
I'd go like this.
Oh,
Here.
It's on Acrobat. Hold on. Humidity's gonna get to it. We're gonna be screwed.
Stick it on one side, and then just go down once with your hand, and then rub it in. Like, yeah. And then rub it in a lot after you get it all on. I think it's crooked.
Hey. Chillax, alright? Chillax. Let's get each letter now. I like these kind of stickers. It doesn't have a background to it.
Mm-hmm. I think you're good.
Alright, ready? What's the cell? There we go.
Was that worth $1?
Let's do a little bit more. The top of each letter.
Alright, dude, I think it's on there.
Alright, here we go.
Pull it real slow. Yeah.
That's
Dude.
pretty leveled.
I think you're good. That's like real. That's pretty good.
Just that B was messed up. That's awesome. Alright, one down.
I think this one's next. I like this one. I might get one of these. Stick that on my desk.
Let's see. Yeah, that's man. I like that. Cause race car. Alright, well.
I think like that. Like it looks like you just slapped it on there. Maybe. Nah.
I want to see how big that VTEC inside, because I'm going to put it right there. That looks pretty mint.
Put it on the front, like right here. Like by the AMD, like that.
Oh, yeah. It's like that, yeah, AMD. And also VTEC is inside. I'm going to put this one right here, because this is the biggest one.
We should get the VTEC phone, you know?
The
Put that
VTEC
inside
phone?
there.
Wow. I want to hold this one.
You gonna put it on an angle? Or straight?
I'll probably keep it straight, yeah. Is there any other lights we can put on? I don't think it's going to do anything. We'll try.
This one you just pull the back off and stick it.
Yeah, that's an easy one. I don't want to hold my GoPro.
GoPro's getting warm.
It's probably like a
Don't stick
20-something minute video on it. See where I could. I'd like it there. I just don't want to go over that grill. I don't think I would be. Hold
Doesn't
on.
matter that much. You're fine if it's there.
Right here. It's the angle. Straighten it out now.
You're good right there. Oh, now you moved it. I wouldn't go all the way to the top. Yeah, go down slightly in case you ever got to take that off. There you go. Look at that. That's a good one right there. You got a wrinkle in it.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, yeah, right
You got two of them.
Push it.
You need a big mint sticker on here.
Yeah, I'm gonna get one. I'm definitely gonna get one.
Stick one
Get
on
the
mine.
banner. Just put it right on the top.
Wrap it all the way around.
Yeah. Yeah. Just. Yeah. All right. That looks pretty.
And then you just have to cut it for the sides.
Yeah. I want to do this one. Hoonigan.
Because race car.
Where should I put Hoonigan? I think I just want to slap Hoonigan right there. That looked pretty cool.
Yeah. Or maybe right.
It looked
I don't
better.
know.
I think I'm gonna. Here, let's see what else I gotta put. I got this one. I'm gonna put this one right there. But I don't want to have too many stickers on one side.
Yeah, I think that was gotta go at an angle just like that.
Or here.
Or make it, or cut off the flag and put that on separate.
Yeah, I could do
The rising
could
sun.
say. Or if I had the flag cut off, let's see. Made in Japan. Could put it right there.
I
Or-
think maybe put it on an angle like that. No, I think it looks better on the other side. This one needs to be the only sticker on the side.
We'll hold off on that one because this one's gonna be a good one. Let's do the Hoonigan one. I like the Hoonigan because I just.
No, yeah, like more like an angle like that. Yeah, like that.
Or here at the top like that. That would look cool at the top.
Yeah, just like
Please.
that. Just like that perfect
I'm
angle.
gonna move it up because I put this the union sticker on the company's. Alright.
Put it like that.
Yeah.
Nah, on an angle, cause it's Hoonigan.
Yeah, it is. You can't go wrong with that.
I think on the top.
I'll put at least one more sticker right there. Probably that one, huh? Alright. Because I don't want to have just one sticker on this side. We can do.
Apple bomb this with Apple stickers.
Oh, yeah, we gotta get Apple. I think I
Leave,
got one.
yeah, leave. Just
I'll do an Apple
this.
sticker right here. Or here,
Put- how many do you have? You have like a million Apple devices. Just put all of them on here. Just leave the side empty. Just put as many Apple stickers as you can get on here.
Yeah.
I think I put that on the top, crooked,
I think
like that. Yeah. I think crooked because it's Hoonigan. It means you're Tokyo drifting,
yeah, it does.
like that.
Alright, about there. Here.
Thinking more of an angle.
Merrick.
You got a new screen protector.
Dude, that's mint. Does it work? Oh, it's so bad.
Just cut it in half and then put it on there twice.
Oh. Okay, we're not doing it. Dude, it's no, it's, oh my god. I can't click on them.
Dude, look at that, dude. Perfect.
So ghetto. Alright. Hoonigan.
I don't. There you go.
Darken around. Alright, yeah, I like that Hoonigan right there. Let's do it.
Just
Probably
stick,
am.
just stick that on there. Hot glue.
Hot glue, yeah.
Just zip tie it. Just drill a hole in each corner and put a zip tie like that.
Alright, see if I can get this mark down. Yeah, we got 30-something minute video. Is that... What does YouTube accept?
As long as you want.
Really?
Yeah. Except if it's over 15 minutes, you have to verify it.
What does that mean?
They have to, like, text you or something.
Let's see if we can get this off, dude. It's all
Guys,
catty-wampa.
oh, look at that. It's on sale. The Predator.
Dude, these are catty-wampa, yo.
99 bucks for a Predator. You want to buy a Predator? 212?
Dude, I want a Predator 212. Wait, how much?
99 bucks.
That's not too bad.
That's cheap. That's really cheap.
Dude, hey, oh, our G's sticking, yo. Our G is mad sticking on here.
Is it? You're peeling off the wrong side.
Oh.
Wait, is that the back?
Yeah, this is the back.
Wait. Oh, yeah, that's the sticky side.
Oh, there we go. We saved the G.
Just take off the G. You need a workbench?
Oh, there we go.
That's cheap, actually.
Right there, huh?
Yeah.
Center it right out there.
Slightly more angled, yeah, like that.
It's gonna look mint on that. On the black.
Yeah, right there. You need a sawzall with the twisting handle. $19.99. Call now.
Yeah, because I can't wait to get a generic sawzall.
Torque wrenches? Dude. Torque
Does it
wrenches.
have your picks in there? The ones you were looking for?
The what?
Your picks you got earlier?
What are they gonna do? Discount them to like 1 penny?
Yeah, they're already cheaper than that. Dude, look at mice.
It's a security thing. Security cameras. Security cameras.
Security. These sons.
Dude, your nail gun's on sale.
Oh yeah, that
You
giant
want a
one.
wooden chainsaw?
What about the floor one?
Electric chainsaw. Oh,
That's
this
nice.
is a quality trailer, guys.
What's it called? The Hallmaster?
It folds up. I would not trust a folding trailer. I wouldn't trust a TV mount from there either. Pull off on the other side.
Ooh.
Not coming.
I was like, dude.
Dude, that looks perfect.
Oh no.
No, 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 no. So you're supposed to go slow. Oh. It's already almost 5:30.
That looks sick.
Yeah, it does.
That looks pretty cool.
No, that's too much of an angle. I think tilt it the other way. Like same way the Hoonigan one is.
Nah.
Nah, maybe not. Yeah.
Just keep it straight.
I think cut the flag off.